What's up, guys? Today we're gonna talk about stuff you shouldn't do if you work on someone else's equipment, be it a neighbor's, a friend, a family member's, or customers. So stay tuned. Okay guys, just to be warned, some people might get upset about this video because some popular YouTubers, none against them, has done this in their videos, and this is something I do not recommend while working on someone else's stuff, because you're opening yourself up for liability, lawsuits, because something went wrong, someone got hurt, a piece of machinery got trashed. You know, so first, the major one, guys, and please, try not to get too upset, but the crankshaft bender, straightener. So, straightening a crankshaft on a push mower that's been bent, the reason it's such a liability, you can straighten it out, but there could be a hairline crack that you can't even see on there. So when you straighten that out, you got your customer, your friend, or whoever going, they're pushing, they accidentally hit something again, or even just running it, there is a chance. Now I'm not saying it's a big chance, but there's a chance that it could fail, and that blade could come out from under there, the crankshaft could snap and could come off from under there. So I don't recommend it. The tool might be handy for like straightening the shaft off so you can get old pulleys and stuff off, but if you're going to fix for someone else, replace the crankshaft, guys. I know it's a hard job. I don't know why there's a chicken in my shop. Well, it's not a hard job, but I know it's more work than straightening the shaft. But you don't want to be liable for when something goes wrong. Even if it's just a small chance, there's a chance. So you always got to look into what it could happen. Another thing is safety features on a riding mower or walk behind. I've had customers ask me, can you remove my seat safety switch? Can you remove my deck safety switch? Guys, I ain't gonna lie, some of my equipment is missing them, but some of my equipment is from the 70s and down, but I would never do it on a customer's mower. Reason being, if they get hurt, you're opening yourself up for a lawsuit. So, never remove safety. If it's meant to be there, it's meant to be there. So leave it alone. Here you go. Here's another one is customers call you, want you to make the engine faster on a push mower. Guys, that's bad karma. Those engines ain't supposed to be running wide open like that. Those blades, the internals, they're not meant to be ran wide open. Do never modify a push mower or even a riding mower to run so wide open like that. Again, you're setting yourself up for liability. Don't do it. It's not worth the risk. The little bit of money you'll get is not worth the risk. Torque specs. Always, when it comes down to your main stuff, when it comes down to your head bolts, your connecting rod bolts, your blade bolts, your flywheel bolts, always torque the spec. Get you a manual. YouTube videos are good for info, but there's also bad info out there. So it never hurts to find you a manual online and double check it, because there is a lot of bad info on YouTube. Along with a lot of good info, there's a lot of bad info too. Another one is, I was working on that welder. I've seen a comment or two is, why don't you glue on magnets? Robert Waters actually called that one. He said, someone's going to ask that because what if the adhesive failed that you put on there? You're liable for the machine breaking again, and those flywheels are not cheap. That flywheel that was on that machine was $200. That stator was another $50. So, actually, some of them's even higher than that. I got lucky and found that one for $50 from a place. So, don't do it, guys. Might cost your customers more money at first, but it's gonna save you in the long run. You know, customers come to you to fix it right. If they don't want it fixed right, then turn them down. It's not worth having a customer that, because usually the ones that want you to rig stuff are the ones that's going to come around and try to sue you when something fails. So you don't want those kind of customers, guys. It's not worth having them. So anyway, guys, I hope I didn't make too many people mad. If you ain't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share this out. Let's make this one of the best small engine YouTube channels on YouTube. There is a Christmas live stream coming up December 12th with Good of the Land, Stephen Cox, the Maintenance Man, Princess Jamie, and probably many more. And we're working on a giveaway, so I don't know how that's going to be. But anyway, guys, I will see you on the next one.